And for the moment you guys have all been waiting for, the giveaway. First off, I want to thank all of you guys so much for all the support you guys have given me in the past couple of months. I have had a great time running this giveaway, and I'm super excited to host more in the future. Now you're definitely wondering right now, how am I going to pick the winners? And I'm basically going to take each one of these 7 videos that I have posted promoting the giveaway, and we're going to take the link from the video and we're going to put it into a giveaway picker, and it's going to randomly go through all the people that have commented and interacted with the video, and it is going to pick a winner from each of the 7 videos, and then we're going to send slime and some extra prizes to some of them, and of course get an iPhone X for one of the winners. So starting off, I'm going to take the shampoo slime video, and we're just going to take the link from it and we are going to put it into the giveaway picker, and we are going to see who won from the first video. Okay, so it's going through all of the comments and interactions, as you guys can see right here. I'm going to put this in time lapse so it's not super boring. Okay, so as you guys can see, it went through all 20,000 comments and interactions on this video, and it has gone through every single unique user that has commented, and we are going to randomly pick a winner. Okay, so the winner for this video is Claudia Zhang. So congratulations, Claudia. We will see what prize you won in a little bit. Okay, so the next video we're going to go pick a winner from is the water slime video I posted 2 months ago that I promoted the giveaway in. So we're just going to take the link to the video and we're going to put it into the picker again. And let's see, choose video right here. Okay, so we're putting this one in, and I'm going to load all the comments and interactions, and we're going to pick another winner. So as you guys can see, it goes through all the users and the likes and the comments, so it is super fair. And again, I'm going to put this in time lapse so you guys don't have to watch me go through 36,000 comments. As you guys can see, it went through all of the comments and likes and interactions, and we're going to randomly pick a winner. Hopefully it was somebody that entered. Let's see. Okay, so here is another winner, and we actually had put their address inside of the comment, so I'm going to censor that, but I really quickly want you guys to know, never share your personal information online. Of course, this is still a winner. I'm just going to censor out their comment, so they're safe. We're going to go to the water slide part 2, so let me just copy and paste the link from the video. I'm going to go back, so we can go back to that in a second, but I'm going to go back to the giveaway picker, and I'm going to paste the link from the video into the giveaway picker. Oh, wait. Yeah, never mind, okay. And we're going to load all of the comments. Again, I'm going to put this in time lapse so I don't bore you guys forever. So the next winner is Nicole Balaj. So congrats, Nicole, you are one of the 7 winners. We will see in a little bit which prize you win, so stay tuned. Okay, now we're going to go to the water slime part 3 and pick a winner from that video. Comment picker, choose video. And it is loading the comments, and I'm going to put this in time lapse again because this time there's almost 40,000 comments. Now it's all good, babe. So the picker has gone through all 39,000 comments and interactions, and it has generated all of it, so now we get to pick a winner. By the way, really quickly, I want to say sorry about the blue food coloring that's now on my fingers. I was making some blue clear slime while I waited for it to pick the winner. Okay, so back to the giveaway. I'm just going to press randomly pick a winner, and we're going to pick a winner from this video. Okay, so here is our winner. We have Captain Gamer, and so Captain Gamer is the next winner. Okay, so I'm now going to be picking a winner from the How to Make DIY No Glue Slime and Water Slimes. Okay, there we go. Got the link to it. We're going to put it into the picker again. Choose video. Okay, so now it's going to load comments and interactions. As you can see, users, likes, and comments. Okay, so it has gone through all the interactions on the video, and again, we're just going to randomly pick. a winner. The winner for the water slime part 2 video is Tia, so congratulations. We will see what prize Tia wins in a little bit. And now we're going to pick a winner from the testing viral no glue slimes video, which is right here. We're just going to copy that link into the giveaway generator again. Choose video. There's the link, and we're going to load comments and interactions. It has gone through the interactions on this video, and we're gonna randomly pick another winner, so here we go. This comment just says hi, so I'm not actually sure if they entered in the giveaway. So we are going to pick another winner. Cleo? The winner from the viral no glue slime testing video is Cleo. For the last video, I'm going to be picking a winner on my most recent new water slimes video. So we're just going to take the link from the video and we're going to insert it into the giveaway site. Choose video. And we are going to load all the comments. And it looks like we are going to pick the last winner, and we are going to press randomly pick winner, and it is going to pick. Okay, Pink Banana 780 is the last and final winner, and Luna says congratulations for winning the last prize. Okay, so right now we're in front of the Apple Store and we're getting ready to buy an iPhone X for one of the winners. Okay, I'm trying to get all of the names of people that
tied to a network or anything like that.
And we're going to write all these 7 names on these pieces of paper, and I'm going to pick one of them randomly, and that is who will get this iPhone X. So I have all the names of the people that had won from each video in this bag, and we're gonna see who wins this iPhone X right here. So, random winner is Claudia. So Claudia wins this iPhone X right here. We're gonna send this out to her in a little bit. Congratulations, Claudia. A bunch of the 16-ounce container slimes for the extra gift packages, and I'm gonna package up the packages right now, so I'm just gonna film that. I went live while I made these, so it's super fun, and yeah. Here are more of the extra prizes. I got a bunch of these gummy kits, these edible slime kits, which I did a video on, and then everybody gets some squishies. There's some panda bun squishies, and then there's also these adorable little seals, and they're like a baked good, so I thought those were adorable. And I'm gonna package these up. I have some boxes, and I'll show you guys what we're doing for those. Okay, so here's one of the packages. It's not taped up or anything, but I'm just going to put one of these slimes right here. They fit pretty well, and then I'm gonna put a squishy in this package, and then we're gonna put, of course, one of the Pop-and Chicken kits, like that. Look how nicely they fit. And then I'm gonna put a note in here, so I'm gonna get some paper so I can write the note. No.